Student, welcome to this video. This is day 6. We already covered up from day 1 to day 5 from we are 220 to 16 of IIT JAM examination of the mathematical methods part. Today we want to discuss about the mathematical methods part of the year 2015 IIT JAM question. Okay. So this is the question pattern and this is the instruction for examination. This is the syllabus of mathematical methods part of IIT JAM, and this is the question of IIT JAM 2015 of mathematical parts. Okay, consider the coordinate transformation x prime equal to this, y prime equal to this. The relation between the elements, the relation between the elements dx prime, dy prime and dx by given by this is the relation where j is the Jacobian. Okay, so this Jacobian can be calculated as x prime y prime is nothing but del x prime del x del x prime del y, then del y prime del x del y prime del y. So now we need to find out this partial derivative. We know x prime is x plus y by root 2. So what is the value of x prime del x prime by del x? Nothing but 1 by root 2. Similarly, del x prime by del y, this is also nothing but 1 by root 2. And y prime is x minus y by root 2. So what is the value of del y prime by del x? This is nothing but 1 by root 2. And del y prime by del y, this is nothing but minus 1 by root 2. So if we put this value, this is 1 by root 2, this is 1 by root 2, this is 1 by root 2, and this is 1 by minus root 2. So we got minus half and minus half. This is nothing but minus 1. So answer is the option number C is the correct answer of this question. Go to the next question. Next question says the trace of 2 by 2 matrix, trace of 2 by 2 matrix is 4 and determinant is 8. If the eigenvalue is 1, one eigenvalue is in, then the another eigenvalue. So for this you need to know the properties of eigenvalues with the trace and determinant of matrix. The property 1 says the summation or sum of all eigenvalues is nothing but the trace of this matrix, trace of the square matrix or matrix square matrix. Okay, so trace of this square matrix is the sum of the all eigenvalues. And number 2 property is the product of all eigenvalues is nothing but the determinant of the matrix or the square matrix. Okay, so we know the one eigenvalue lambda 1 is 2 1 plus I. Take the another eigenvalue lambda 2, then lambda 1 plus lambda 2 must be the trace of this matrix, which is 4. So lambda 2 is nothing but 4 minus lambda 1. So 4 minus 2 1 plus I, that is nothing but 2 1 minus I. Okay, so answer of this question also option number C is the correct answer of this question. You can check by product these two, lambda 1 and lambda 2, you got this is 8. So this is the correct answer of this question. Go to the next question. Next question C, consider a vector field. This is the vector field f equal to this, and let's see is the circle of xy z at z equals to 2 oriented counterclockwise. Find the value of contour integral this. So the contour integral f dot dr can be written as surface integral of curl of f dot ds. This is the Stokes theorem by Stokes theorem. Okay, this is the Stokes theorem. This is given in the vector algebra, you know. And for any query of the vector algebra Faisal book, you can see the series of video in my YouTube channel. Go to the playlist and see the videos for any query of the vectors analysis by Emer Spiegel book. Okay, so let's solve this question. And okay, so we need to find out the curl of f. What is the value of curl of f? This is nothing but I cap, j cap, k cap, del x, del y, del z, and f is nothing but y x z q minus z y z. Okay, so what is the value? I cap del y is minus z, del y is minus z, del y and minus 3x z square plus minus y, del x of this is 0 and del y is also 0, plus k cap, del x is zq and del y is 1. Okay, this is the value of this curl of f. Okay, and now what is the value of ds? So you can draw this diagram. This is x, this is y, and this is z. Here the circle on the z equal to 2. So if this z equal to 2, this is the circle. Okay, and the radius also 2. So the ds will be, and the contour taken as the counterclockwise, so the direction of this area should be along the z axis or the k cap. So this will be nothing but dx dy. This ds vector is nothing but the k cap. So this integral can be represented as, this is the I cap and this is j cap and k cap. So in this between there is a dot product, and you know dot product k cap is 1. So this is written as zq minus 1 into dx dy, right? And the z value is constant, which is 2. So this is 8 minus 1, that is the 8 minus 1, that is 7 dx dy. And what is the value of dx dy? Dx dy is the total integral, is the total area of the circle, which is nothing but pi r square. What is the value of r square? This is 4. So this is 28. This is 28 pi. So answer of this question is option number A is the correct answer of this question. Go to the next question. The consider the equation, consider the uh, equation this and the boundary condition. Find out the following, which will be this. Okay, so dy dx, so dy by y square equal to dx by x. So this is nothing but, if we integrate this, this is 1 by y, and this is ln x and some constant. And if we put this boundary condition, the at x equal to 1, y also 1. So if we put x1 and y1, this is plus c, and ln 1 is 0, so c is nothing but minus 1. So the solution minus 1 by y is equal to ln x minus 1. So we can say the minus y is equals to, or plus y equals to 1 by 1 minus ln x. Okay, this is the solution of the y. And now the now you can say the x cannot be negative. This is always positive. This is ln x. So the negative option here must be neglected. This is x value negative, this is x value negative, this and this can be possible. And you can see the x value can be cannot be 0. The x value cannot be also 0, x not equals to 0. So this is also cancel out. So by this elimination process, you can also say the answer of this question is the option number D is the correct answer of this question. Go to the next question. Next question says this is the Fourier transformation. This is the this is the Fourier series for the particular period of function given. This is the Fourier series. You can say the function can be this f of x can be written as, this f of x can be written as x for 0 to 1, x for 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and this is minus x for minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0. Okay, so find the value of a0. A0 is nothing but 2 by a, which a is the truth, total interval is 2, 2 by 2, minus 1 to plus 1 f of x dx, right? So this is can be written as minus 1 to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to 1 f of x dx. So this is minus 1 to plus 1, that is minus x. So this is minus 1 to 0 minus x dx, and 0 to 1 this is x dx. So this is minus x square by 2 x square by 2, and this is minus 1 0, and plus x square by 2, this is 0 to 1. So minus this is 0, so 0 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 0. So this is half plus half, this is 1. So answer of this question, option number C is the correct answer. So option number C is the correct answer of this question. Okay, go to the next question. Next question says the phase of the complex number in the polar representation is. So if we represent this in polar representation, this is nothing but I plus I into I, that is I square. I square is minus 1, so this is minus 1 plus I. So if you write at x plus iy, so x is nothing but, minus 1, and y is nothing but 1. So in this plot, this is minus 1, x is minus 1, y is 1 in this one. So angle or the this is called the phase, angle or phase is nothing but tan inverse y by x, so this is tan inverse, y is 1, x is minus 1, this is tan inverse minus 1. So tan inverse minus 1 nothing but tan inverse tan pi minus pi by 4, which is 3 pi by 4. So tan inverse tan cancel out, this is 3 pi by 4. So answer of this question is the option number C is the correct answer of this question. Option number C is the correct answer of this question. Okay. Okay, this was the question from 2015, and in the IIT JAM mathematical methods part. Okay, this is all about me, and this is my contact detail. You can contact with me by WhatsApp or Telegram or Facebook, any medium for query of this physics. Please subscribe this channel if you are new in this channel. Share this video and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming video. Okay, we will meet in the next video as soon as possible. Thank you.